You came across this question in your Jamb exam. How will you solve it? It is very easy. Now let's solve together. The question says the chemical reaction in which two or more substances, listen carefully, combine to form a single compound is. So you can see we have different options here. Before choosing answer to this question, it is important for me to analyze the question properly. So listen carefully. So now they said the chemical reaction. So all of these options are types of chemical reaction. They are not asking which of them is actually occurring based on the question. So the chemical reaction in which two or more substance. This word substance can also be used interchangeably for elements, because actually substance can be either elements or compounds. So based on this question, I'll be calling substance elements. Just listen carefully. So the chemical reaction in which two or more elements, I believe that is now simple for you to understand, all right, combines. So the elements I'll be using to explain this question will be like symbols. Just listen. I'll be using A, B, C. Just listen. So let's say, for instance, now based on this question, based on what I read, they said the chemical reaction in which two or more substance or two or more elements. So in this case, I'll be using just two elements so that it will be easy for you to quickly catch what is happening here. So I'll be using A and B. So listen. So a reaction in which two or more elements, but I'll be using just two elements because they said all. So we can just use two or more elements. So let's say A reacted with element B. And now, they now said when both of them come back together, they now form a single compound. That means they now form one compound. Our product formed is just one compound, a single compound. Then, most likely, based on the information, we'll get something like AB. So AB is now the compound formed. Do you understand? So all this must be noted. So based on this reaction, what just happened? It is simple. It is a reaction called addition reaction. I added element A to element B and we formed a single compound. So this must be noted. You can see that A and B was added to form AB, which is a single compound. So this reaction is simply called an addition reaction. Are you there? So the answer to this question becomes option A. It can be decomposition. I will explain to you what this means. It can be catalytic or reversible. If it was a decomposition reaction, decomposition has to do with you breaking down something. So it means that decomposition will now be AB being broken down to give me A plus B. I have broken AB. I have broken the compound to form back the elements. Are you there? So this reaction, this one just described, is called decomposition reaction. I believe you are following. This one is not addition. Addition is you bringing two things, adding them together to form a single compound. Are you there? So with this information gotten, I want to give you one practice question so you solve and provide the answer in the comment section. It's very simple. I'm going to give you real life reactions.
To have more understanding about chemistry calculations and solving all of these type of questions, I already have them on the chemistry masterpiece, okay, which is calculations and keynotes in chemistry. So if you are preparing to write the JAM exam, this book is very, very important for you. Now, for more information getting the chemistry masterpiece, do well to direct message me via my WhatsApp number. It will be on the screen.
So here are the questions. They are very simple. Just listen carefully. Let this reaction, when you provide answer, you tell me what type of reaction is occurring. It's simple. Just look at the reaction carefully. Let's say hydrogen, all right, reacted with oxygen. Then I believe everybody knows that we'll get water, H2O. But with this alone, you can tell me what reaction it is, but it's good I balance it. We have two hydrogen here, we have two hydrogen here. All right, we have two oxygen here, one oxygen here. So how do I balance oxygen? is just to put 2 in front of water. So automatically this become now 2 oxygen, but hydrogen will increase to become 4 because 2 times 2 that is 4, right? And here is still 2. So it's best for me to put 2 here so that hydrogen will be balanced. So the reaction is balanced. All right, just tell me what happened here. What type of reaction? Is it addition? Is it decomposition? Is it catalytic? Is it reversible? I'm going to talk on catalytic and reversible shortly, but just tell me the answer to this question. It's simple. So here is another practice question whereby I have another compound, CaCO3. I broke it down. Oh, I've actually given you guys an hint to solve the question. It's simple. This guy was broken down. We got CaO plus CO2. The reaction is actually balanced, all right? You don't have to be scared. The reaction is balanced. I know it is balanced. That is why if you're a student finding it difficult to understand properly how to balance chemical reaction, I already have a video lesson on my YouTube channel, so it's important for you to go watch that lesson to learn specifically how to balance reaction. I explained it step by step in that lesson. So watch that video, all right? So tell me what reaction is happening here, if it's actually addition, decomposition, catalytic, or reversible. Now, basically, in catalytic reaction, they are powered by what we call catalyst. Do you understand? Whereby for reversible reactions, there are reactions that have what we call reversibility sign, a reaction that is proceeding forward and also backward. So in reversible reaction, we always see this sign in replace of this, or in replace for this, replace for this, or replace of this. We see this always. So that tells us that, oh, that reaction is reversible. So we've come to the end of this lesson. If you find my video lesson helpful, make sure you click on the subscribe button to my channel and also share my lessons with your friends. Thanks for watching.